Get exception description and stack trace which caused an exception, all as a string. I've seen a lot of posts about stack trace and exceptions in Python, but haven't found what I need. I have a chunk of Python 2.7 code that may raise an exception. I would like to catch it and assign to a string its full description and the stack trace that caused the error, simply all we use to see on the console. I need this string to print it to a text box in the GUI. Something like this. The problem is, what is the function complete underscore exception underscore description?
See the traceback module, specifically the format underscore exc function. Here.
Let's create a decently complicated stack trace, in order to demonstrate that we get the full stack trace. Logging the full stack trace. A best practice is to have a logger set up for your module. It will know the name of the module and be able to change levels, among other attributes, such as handlers. And we can use this logger to get the error. Which logs? And so we get the same output as when we have an error. Getting just the string. If you really just want the string, use the traceback.format underscore exc function instead, demonstrating logging the string here. Which logs?
With Python 3, the following code will format an exception object exactly as would be obtained using traceback.format underscore exc. The advantage being that only the exception object is needed, thanks to the recorded underscore traceback underscore attribute, and can therefore be more easily passed as an argument to another function for further processing.
For Python 3.5+, use traceback.tracebackException. It can handle exceptions caught anywhere. Example. Output. It is identical to format underscore exec and to format underscore exception.
If you want to see more